Hi, I'm Jason, Mac Genius. Today we're going to talk about setting up a wireless network. The first thing you need to do is to choose a wireless router. This is your basic wireless router, and you can see it's got antennas. Usually routers that have two antennas offer quicker, more responsive download times. And you can see in the back, this is where our Ethernet cable from our modem, cable modem, or DSL modem goes into. And then we can hook up to 4 computers or printers or anything to this. Anything you have hooked into here is going to be accessible by your computer. And the nice thing about routers are that the internet address that you have assigned from your cable modem actually is different in your router. So the router acts as almost a firewall between your computer and the internet. It's kind of a buffer, which is actually a good thing as well. Because each one of these ports, when you connect to it, will create its own IP address. When you get a router, you're going to have software that comes with it that will walk you through the installation steps to set up your wireless network. So what we're going to do is, and this we already have an airport wireless, or not an airport, we already have a wireless network set up, so I'm going to go into the hard drive just to show you where to get the airport utility. And this will automatically launch when you install the base station software. We're going to go to Applications, we're going to go to Utilities, Airport Utility, and we would see in these panels off to the side here the base station showing up. So basically, when you buy your router, it's going to have software that you're going to install on your computer that's going to walk you through the setup process. If you buy an Apple Airport base station, it's going to launch the Airport Utility, which also walks you through the airport setup, giving you access to your new wireless internet. That's pretty much it. I'm Jason. Thanks for watching.